Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI. I'm the type of person who loves bright and brilliant colors. So when I was looking for a phone case, I was looking for something not just durable, but something that would catch my eye. So when I found this phone case by SURPHY, I absolutely fell in love. The color was called Nectarine, and it is just a beautiful, amazing color. I like this phone case too because it has a lip where the camera is, so you can protect your camera. It also is a nice silicone, soft to feel type of case. It's also not too thick, so that if your phone is compatible with wireless charging, you'll be able to charge your phone through this. I absolutely love this phone case, and I think you would too, but that's my point of view.